Welcome back, divas. It's your girl TX Beauty Queen 83, and I'm coming at you today with my May favorites. I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys know that I've been MIA a little bit over the last week and a half. May was rough, but I am back. June is a new start, new goals, new mindset. We traveled a lot April and May, but we're gonna come back with full force in June, and I am so excited to see you guys again, and I hope you feel the same. Before we dive into this video, I am doing a Pat McGrath giveaway on the new Lust lip glosses. So if you guys have not checked that out yet, please go ahead and do so now. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell because YouTube's doing some crazy things, and I've heard that they're going to do some more changes coming up here soon. But anyway, May favorites. As per usual, we are going to start with skincare. Skincare is the most important thing. You can't have flawless, well, you can't have flawless makeup with bad skin, but it's not preferred. You need to take care of your skin. Your skin is forever. So, back in March, I did a haul from the Derm store where I ordered some Skinceuticals products. It's a medical grade skincare brand. I have been dying to try them for forever. So I ordered the acne kit, and in that kit it came with a blemish and age defense, and I kind of jumped all over that because I have breakouts occasionally still, even though I'm in my 30s. I do. So I thought that this product would be good. Let's see, I got a box full of stuff here, y'all. In that kit, the product that I'm really loving right now, and that's really done some changes on my skin, is the blemish and age defense. It is a salicylic based acne treatment, and it says that it's for aging acne prone skin. You get 1 fluid ounce. It's meant to correct the skin, and this product alone retail for $90. So I opted to go ahead and get the kit. That was $130, and that came with the toner and the skin wash. So I'm not quite sure how I feel about the toner or the face wash just yet, but what I do know is that this product works. It's pricey, but it works, and so I have added this into my regimen at night only when I'm having a breakout because it is very potent. Love. All right, the next couple of things are some products that I had hauled during the Sephora VIB sale, and that is the Caudalie Beauty Elixir Travel Kit, and it did retail for $39, but y'all, I don't know what they put in this stuff. It does give you like a nice dew to the skin. A lot of people have been asking what's going on with my skin. I'm not going to say that it's all this, but what I am going to say is that I have been hydrating my skin and really nourishing myself inside and out, and hydrating. Even though I have oily skin, I hydrate and use oils, so it's really changing my skin. But this right here, if you're powdery, if you need a nice pick-me-up after you apply your skincare, girl, this is the bomb. I bought this little travel kit, number one, because I knew we were going to be traveling during graduation season, and also because I need this in my purse at all times because it is the bomb. Next, we'll go ahead and talk about body care. You all know that I said that we're going to be glowy, dewy, and popping all summer. That same thing applies to your skin on your body. And I have been absolutely loving the Dr. Teals Pink Himalayan Sea Salt, or not sea salt, Salt Scrub Restore and Replenish. I know you guys have seen the Epsom salt soaking version of this. It smells just like it, girl, and it smells so good. And you do get 16 ounces of product, which is more than enough. 16 ounces of product. It smells amazing, and it has a nice grit to it, but not too gritty to where it hurts the skin. You want to exfoliate and then hydrate the skin and then put oils on it if you want your skin to be nice and glowy. I did pick this up at Target, and I want to say that they did have it on Walmart.com, so you might want to go ahead and check that out. And I want to say you can get it for like between $5 and $6, so that's even better. Next is the Camelina Oil, and this is a certified organic oil. I have been using this on everything. I've cooked with it a couple of times. I especially been using it on my body. I use it on my body today. I've got a lot of compliments on my skin. I take my skin very seriously. I exfoliate regularly, and I hydrate my skin, and this oil, you guys, is rich in vitamin E naturally. It is has high content of essential fatty acids, which is also great for restoring the skin, especially after you've had a lot of sun exposure. And what else? This oil is also really hot in antioxidants, which is really good for replenishing and restoring the skin. I also want to mention that for all my natural girls out there, this oil is right up there with olive oil and avocado oil and coconut oil. This oil does penetrate the hair shaft. So I do love this oil for a good hot oil treatment as well. Let's go ahead and talk about some makeup, shall we? All right, first we'll talk about my boo, and that is Pat McGrath. I hauled this Pat McGrath Submersive Mothership palette back in April with the Sephora haul, or with the Sephora VIB event, and this right here, girl, it's just good. It's just good. It is a very expensive palette. This is the most expensive palette that I own. Do I regret it? Absolutely not. Will I do it again? In a heartbeat, because it's that good. I love these products. They are just so beautiful. You can tell that I've been using it. I have the purple eyeshadow on my eyes today. I want to say I apologize for a couple of people that asked me about the purple eyeshadow look that I had in April. I lost a lot of my content off of my computer on videos that I had edited, so I recreated the look for you guys today, so I can go back and edit it and post it sometime in June on my channel. So just want to apologize about that. But yeah, I don't know why I just had to smell them, but I did. I love these eyeshadows. They are absolutely beautiful, highly pigmented. They blend like a dream. Worth every penny. Very luxurious, very sturdy palette. I adore it. I adore it. Tess, will you sit down? I don't know what my dog is in there doing. Anyway, Pat McGrath. I swatched probably a week or two ago now the Skin Show Cool and Skin Show Warm kits on my channel. Currently a giveaway open until June the 20th. I am in love with these formulas, you guys. I'm not going to sit here and say, oh my god, it's worth $28. I can't necessarily say that because I kind of feel like they're subjective. That's a subjective viewpoint. Now, what I will say is that if you're a Pat McGrath fan and you don't mind spending $28 on a lip gloss, the formula is worth it. I do love my Fenty Gloss Bomb. It is nice. I don't know why Tess won't sit down. She has like these little things on her collar and she's just jangling all over the place, girl. But anyway, Fenty Gloss Bomb I do love. It does retail for $18. I wish that the Fenty Gloss Bomb did have different undertones. You see that? You know what I will say? I think that if these glosses retail for $20, everybody and their mama would have them. But I'm not worried about what everybody else is doing. I love these lip glosses. I love Pat McGrath, so I decided to go ahead and order them. I do have 4 more around here somewhere. And my favorite out of them all is Aphrodisiac. Where is it? Okay, Aphrodisiac cannot be found. Oh well. But this is my favorite formula lip gloss right now, and I absolutely love it, and I want to come and share that with you guys. And if you haven't checked out the video, go ahead and check it out. I'll link it below. So a few people mentioned about me always talking about luxurious and high-end makeup on my channel. I am going to definitely make a conscious effort to talk about more inexpensive product and drugstore products on my channel. It's just that I am definitely a sucker for luxurious makeup, high-end makeup. And so I took the opportunity to go ahead and check out the Guerlain bronzers during the VIB sale. And just in case you don't know, this is the packaging. This is shade number 7. This is the one that Jackie uses in her videos, Jackie Ina. And then this is the one, number 5, that Makeup Shayla wears. And what I need you guys to do is let me know which one you think is better, or it looks better on camera. This is 5, this is 7. So I don't know if I want to keep both of them. I don't know if I need both of them, but I wanted to kind of see the difference because number 7 isn't sold in stores. I have to order that number 7 and 9 online. But yeah, I love this bronzer. I love this bronzer. And if you have been looking for a really good pigmented high-end, high-quality bronzer, I highly recommend the Guerlain Bronzer. The packaging is exquisite. It's very chic, very lightweight, and I love them. You only get 0.35 ounces of product, but who goes through a whole bronzer in a year or 2 or 3? I mean, so the next product that I have is kind of like a one-off type of product, and that is the Wet n Wond's antibacterial hand wipes. And these are the box of 24 that are individually wrapped, y'all. At any given time, you can find me with 2 or 3 of these packs in my purse at all times. So I'm a low-key germaphobe, and I love for my hands to be clean before I touch food, before I eat, before I do anything with my face. My hands gotta be clean, and these are very, very cost effective. They're only $2 or $3. Girl, get you some. Keep some in your car, keep some in your purse, keep some in your desk at work, keep them everywhere, because you know we gotta keep it clean, sis. I have a fashion item. I know, a fashion item. And then I have my home fragrance. You know, every month I gotta bring you guys what kind of candles I've been loving, and I try not to talk about more than 2 or 3. But this is the green tea scented candle from Henri Bendel, and the sea spray scented signature candle from Henri Bendel. I love Henri Bendel. You guys should know that if you watch my channel. Love, love, love. Well, these 2 candles have really been doing it for me through the month of April, and I absolutely adore both of these scents. Now, the weird thing is my nose keep running. I don't know why, but the weird thing is that this is labeled green tea, but it really doesn't smell like tea. Honestly, like, it doesn't smell like tea at all. The notes on that read: dewy fern, white pamplemousse zest, Italian verbena, crisp cypress, fresh juniper, white geranium, violet leaves, orange root, and oat moss. It says that it's an aromatic fragrance. I have been burning the single wick candles in my bedroom the entire month of April. They are the perfect size, a perfect type of throw, and it's really relaxing, really refreshing scent, and I absolutely have been living for it. The next candle is Sea Spray. I hauled this one on my channel a few weeks back. If you want to go ahead and check that out, and I'll read you guys the notes on that. It's supposed to be sea spray, millen breeze, chilled orange, sea salt, beach jasmine, water lily, eucalyptus leaves, vetiver, blonde woods, and musk. And this is also aromatic, y'all. This candle right here, this is a 9.4 ounce. This is a single wick candle. This one is pretty strong. I could still burn it in my bedroom. I would just leave the bathroom door in my bedroom open so that the scent flows through, or either leave my bedroom door open. But this is perfect for a living room. These candles throw. Sea Spray is good. This is actually a repackaged remake of the eucalyptus and sea salt that I talked about here recently in my candle empty video. So if you're into candles, check that video out, girl. You know I love candles. I hope you do too. So for the first time on my channel, I'm going to be sharing a fashion favorite, and that is my Henri Bendel. Really, Henri Bendel must be on my brain. And that is my MCM Milla baby blue, light blue, whatever you want to call it, handbag. Now Charlie bought this for me. It was at the end of the year last year, like around November, December last year. It was out of season. So I wore it for a week just to kind of get a feel for it, just to wear it. I did unbox with you guys my MCM, the dark blue one, the navy dark blue one. So I'll link that in case you want to know all the details of the handbag. But yeah, I have been loving this bag. Top quality, high quality leather, great hardware, very nice soft calf pebble leather. And this one has silver hardware. The purse has feet on it. I absolutely love that. And it's just a really nice bag. It's perfect for a professional woman like myself, but it's also it's like classy and fun at the same time. And it's one of the reasons why I really love this bag. I seen it one time online, and then I knew immediately that I had to have it. So now I actually have 3 of these bags. This is the medium size, and like I said, I absolutely adore it. So I'm not going to show you guys everything that's in my purse, but I got a whole bunch of junk in there. And then the pocket that's inside the purse is the MCM traditional heritage print right here. I got a whole bunch of junk in this purse, so it's kind of embarrassing. But if you guys want to see like a what's in my purse type video, then just let me know. But this is my MCM Milla, and this is the bag that I'm obsessing over. And I'm probably going to carry this bag, let's see, I carried it all of April, I'll carry it all of May. I'll probably carry it to the end of July, and then I'll probably switch to my other MCM. I'll carry this to the end of June. July and August I'll wear my other color. But yeah, this is my favorite bag, and I just want to share it with y'all. That is all I have for you guys as far as favorites are concerned. I hope that you enjoyed it. I love doing these types of videos. These are my favorite videos to do. I really look forward to just coming and chatting with you guys about makeup products and stuff that I really love. You guys let me know how you feel about favorites videos. Are they effective? Should I keep doing them? Should I not? But anyway, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. Until the next time, divas, I will see you later. Bye.